I'm going to unbox this Ferrex Pro brushless cordless combi drill. This is a 40 volt version, which means that it can do longer work and tougher jobs with this. I bought this because I already have the Ferrex 20 to 40 volt battery packs, two of it. I have also the charger. The drill, my fault, it died on me because I used it with one of those 1 meter ground masonry drills to drill a hole. I did all of that hole, but I reached, I think I drilled 16 holes with that, but 1 meter to 25 millimeter, the size of the drill. But on the last one, it hit rock and really it was smoking when I was doing this. So anyway, now I have a new one. I'm better, and I'm going now to unbox it. Okay, I bought it from the Aldi. It just arrived today, and now I'm going to break the seal and unbox it. Anyway, you will see that I'm breaking the seal. Yeah, seal is broken now. Is there another one somewhere? No, that's the one. It comes, unlike the other one which came in the box, this one comes in its own box and the carrying case. So let me just remove it from its box. Okay, this is the case. I'm opening it now. It looks quite strong, at least to the touch. It's a hard case. And what is inside is a handle, manual, I don't know what is this, but we'll see. And that's the drill itself. That's the drill itself. Ferrex drill, 40 volt. Yeah. I have the unboxing of 20 volts of it, and I will show you that later. That's for lighter jobs. This is for more delicate jobs. Let me just open this to see what is inside. Okay, this is the attachment for attaching this to here, so you can actually make it dangle from your belt, something like that. There's a screw for it also, so I may use or may not use it if I need. Let me just attach to see if the battery goes with this or not. Okay, this is the drill. I have now attached my 20 to 40 volt battery. This is the same Ferrex compatible one, Activ Energy, same from Aldi. As you can see, it's quite powerful. It has a combi for high torque and low torque. Low torque probably is for tightening the screws. You can use it for as a hammer drill, for screw drill, directly putting in a softwood the screws. You see in the movies or documentaries and TV DIY videos, they do directly without drilling holes. They screw with this. This is only with the softwood you can do that. I don't recommend it even with softwood because you may split. Well, anyway, they do it for the show. And for hardwood, definitely you have to pre-drill. And that is also for drill. The other part, the top part of that you can see here, that's for using with normal drill. So, and when you turn it like that, it's inactive. When you turn this button from this side, you press it, you can actually work with it. This is reverse. Press it this completely out from this side, this button, and reverse. So, and with the 20, I mean, there are different options. You could see the space for some tools here. They have removed that to make it to the price range. This is called the skipflation, and this is also for battery, I suppose. But although you can put it like that also. So this was for some drill bits that you would receive for free, and also some screwdriver bits. But anyway, they remove it just to make it fit with the price range they want to sell it, because of the inflation. They're just hiding the with the food stuff. That is worse even, because they just increase the price at the same time they reduce the volumes, the sizes, and also they change the recipe and reduce the good ingredients in it, and add it up, bulk it up with the crap or whatever is relevant in that case. It's worse in the food stuff. As I mentioned, you can put one battery here also. That is my second battery, spare battery, so I'm putting it in here, and it easily takes it. It's good because it is in the hard case. I can take it to the work area without actually getting damaged or anything, get soily, covered in soil or dirt. That's nice. Also in the rain you can just cover it. Of course only one battery can go here, probably. Okay, instead of the missing drill bits that they usually have it here, and they have removed it for making the price range for them attractive for the customers. You can put the other battery here, but have to put some foam inserts around it to protect the content, or leave it like that. It just, yeah, it's firm enough. If you put something here, you can actually protect this one also from getting damaged. The maximum size of the drill bit you can use with this drill is 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter. So that's the maximum size of the drill bit you can use. That's good, because usually it is 10 millimeters. So now you can use 3 millimeter bigger drill bits.